Hello, Wilson Meto, Sanitated Survey in Beck. It's Wills here again from the MSU Service. Hope you're keeping well, keeping safe. You know, since lockdown began, we've delivered over 50 live sessions on our YouTube channel. And one of the most popular sessions that we did were our weekly quizzes. So a number of you have been in contact and asked us, could we create a pre-recorded quiz that you could play at home with the family? So here it is. All you'll need to play along is a pen and a piece of paper. There are going to be 4 rounds and 5 questions in each round. So if you get a piece of paper and do this to it, it will make it easier to play along. So the first round is called Face Swap. I'm going to show you a series of 5 celebrities who have had a gender face swap on one of those face swap apps. And you have to write down on your section 1 in round 1 who you think they are, and we'll get to the answers at the end. So here's an example of what I mean. So that will turn into that. Understand? Okay, nice and easy. Okay, so here we go. Here's your first one. Here's a genuine first one. Here it comes. And second one. And the third one. And the fourth. And the fifth. Okay, so round two. Round 2 is guess that theme song. This is slightly different. I'm going to play you the clips for 5 theme songs from movies, and you have to guess what it is. There's going to be a countdown on the screen running down from 0 to 50. And as soon as you guess what it is, you shout it out. The first person to shout it out gets the points. There's going to be 5 of these videos, and here they come. Round 3 is a general knowledge round. I'm going to ask you 5 questions and you can write the answers down on your round 3 section, on your piece of paper. So, Here comes question one. Question one. What's the fifth planet away from the sun? That's question one. The fifth planet away from the sun. Question two. Can you name Bart Simpson's baby sister? So on the Simpsons television programme, what is Bart Simpson's baby sister called? That's question two. Question three. On the American flag, how many red stripes are there? How many red and vertical stripes are on the American flag, the USA flag? Question four. In the Euros, 2016 Euros, which country, which team knocked out Wales in the semi-finals and then went on to win it? Which country, which team? Question five. How many books are there in the Harry Potter series? So how many books in the Harry Potter series? Round four, the final round. So this is called the logo game. So this is dead simple. I'm going to have an image of a popular logo and it's going to be partly covered with a magnifying glass, only showing a section of that logo, and you have to guess what those logos are. I'm going to show you an example now. And obviously you'll see that and you'll know that that is. So dead simple. Okay, so here comes the first one. And the second. And the third. And the fourth. And the fifth. And that's the end of the quiz. Right, so are you ready for the answers? Okay, round one answers, here they come. The first face swap celebrity was Ed Sheeran. The second celebrity face swap was The Rock or Dwayne Johnson. The third celebrity face swap was Harry Styles. The fourth Taylor Swift. It was a tough one. And the fifth, really tough on this, Ryan Reynolds. Round two, answers, you already had them really, haven't you, at the end of each section, but I'll give them to you anyway. The first one was Star Wars, the second one was Ghostbusters, third one was Avengers, the fourth one was Harry Potter, and the fifth was Pirates of the Caribbean. Well done on those. Here are the general knowledge answers. So the question one, the answer, what was the fifth planet away from the sun? It was Jupiter. Well done if you got that one right. Second question was, what's Bart Simpson's baby sister called in the TV programme Simpsons? Maggie. She's called Maggie. Question three, how many horizontal stripes, I said vertical there, horizontal red stripes are on the American flag of USA? 7. 7 is the answer. Good luck. Well done if you got that one right. Question 4 was, which team knocked Wales out of the semi-finals of the Euros 2016 and then themselves went on to win it? Portugal. It was Portugal. It was the first time for them to win it in their history, as it happens. Question 5 was, how many books are in the Harry Potter series? There are 7 books. 7 books. 8 films, but 7 books. So well done you guys. I'll give you a moment to total up your scores, and if you do come to a point where it's a tie or we need a tie-break question, then I'll follow up next. Tiebreaker. So if we've got to a situation now where more than one of you within the family or whether whoever you're playing with has got the same score, I'm going to ask you a tiebreaker question. This is how it works. I will ask you a question, ask you to take a guess on the height of something. I'll give you something to take a guess on the height of. You write those answers down, I will reveal it, and whoever is nearest to that answer wins the whole quiz. So here it is. Tiebreaker question. In feet, how tall is the Big Ben? Big Ben in London. How tall is Big Ben in feet? In feet. Here comes your answer. The answer is 320 feet. That's 97.5 metres, but 320 feet. So work out who got the closest to the answer. You're the winner of the quiz. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you very much. Diolch, ta-ra.